ব্লার হয়ে গেল, সরে যাচ্ছে না। ডিভিশন বাই মনোমিয়াল, এটাকে বলা হয় মনোমিয়াল। নাম্বার 1, 24x² y² by 3xy. So divide it, 24x² y² by 3xy.
x² y² না y³
3 8 are 24. 8 x to the power 2 minus 1, y to the power 2 minus 1. So it will be 8xy. Next, 2 number. 3x² plus 4x² plus 7xy by 3xy. Your answer will be what? 3x² by 3xy plus 4x² by 3xy plus 7xy by 3xy. So here 3 cancel out. X to the power 2 मासी खेले plus 4 by 3 x to the power 2 minus 1 y cancel. Or you can write y 1 minus y plus 7 by 3 x 1 minus y into y 1 minus 1. So it will be x y to the power 0 plus 4 by 3 x y to the power 0 plus 7 by 3 x to the power 0 y to the power 0. So it will be x y to the power 0 means 1 plus 4 by 3x plus 7 by 3. Since x to the power 0 equal to 1, y to the power 0 equal to 1. Understood? Next question. Number 3. Minus 72x² y² z by minus 12 xy z. xy z. So minus 12x² y² z by minus 12 xy z. So here minus minus cancel. 7 by 12 x to the power 2 minus 1 y to the power 2 minus 1 z to the power 1 minus 1. So your answer will be 7 by 12 x to the power 1 y to the power 1 z to the power 0. So it will be 7 by 12 x y z, z not x y. Since z to the power 0 is equal to 1. Okay. Power of anything is 1. Now next, 4 number. 5 m cube minus 5 m cube minus 30 m square plus 45 m by 5 m. Okay, divide it. So 5 m cube minus 30 m square plus 45 m by 5 m. So divide it. 5 m minus 30 m square by 5 m plus 45 m by 5 m. Okay. So it will be m 2 minus 1 minus 6 m 2 minus 1 plus 9 m 1 minus 1. So your answer will be m m to the power 1 minus 6 m to the power 1 plus 9m to the power 0. So minus 5m plus m square. This is your 3m cube. So 3 minus 1 2m square minus 6m plus 9. Since m to the power 0 is equal to 1. This is your answer.